real quick video here. If you've got an Amazon Echo Dot, I'm just going to run through some really basic things you can do with it, with the lights, the heating and the plugs. There's loads of other things you can do, but if you're thinking of getting one, or you've got one and you just want to have a quick play around with it, it's quite easy to set up. Basically, if you've got the Hive heating, you'll get the hub, so you'll have the Hive hub, and then you can get the bulbs. You can buy loads of things. There's cameras, bulbs, sensors, plugs that you can control. But at the minute, I've just got a plug, a light bulb, or a couple of light bulbs, and the heating. You just go into the app and you can set up different commands. Some are stock, they're already set, like words, but you can change the words and things that you want to call it. But yeah, anyway, it's just a quick run through. So obviously you've got to make sure your light's switched on all the time when the bulb's in, because my partner tends to turn it off, and when I go to use a light, it doesn't work because she can't find it. Alexa, sorry, can't find it. So, Alexa, turn on lounge light. So she'll turn on the light. She's also turned on the plug because that's connected to a light, but you can control that individually as well. Alexa, turn off plug 1. Also, you can control the brightness of the lights. So, Alexa, lounge light, 10%. Alexa, lounge light, 40%. Alexa, lounge light, 100%. So, you see, you can just control the brightness on and off, and the brightness, which is pretty cool. Plug socket, like I say, you can control it. Alexa, socket 1 off, or on, sorry.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Alexa, plug 1 on. Sometimes I forget what the command is. Sometimes you can say different things and she'll recognise it and do it, but sometimes she'll be like, I don't know what it is unless you say the specific words. But anyway, so Alexa, turn off lounge light. No. Sometimes I've noticed when you give her a command, I think it might be because my it's not brilliant. Sometimes it drops out just like randomly. I think sometimes when you talk to and give her the command, she goes to search for the light bulb to turn it off, but she can't find it because it's all on to do with the Wi-Fi. So I think she doesn't that's why. I don't think it's because she can't hear me, because when you speak to Alexa, Alexa, turn off lounge light. You see, you get like the flashing light so you know that she's listening. But anyway, with the heating's pretty cool. I don't really use this much, but so at the minute it's off. As you can see, it's off there. It's just on frost setting. So, Alexa, downstairs heating 24 degrees.
The heat's set to 24.
So she's set it apparently. So when you go back into it, you should see that it's come on. It's manual. I've just heard the boiler. I've just heard it kick in, and it's set to 24 degrees. And then you can turn it off. Alexa, turn off downstairs heating. If you go back into that, you'll see that it's turned itself off, gone back to frost setting. But anyway, it's zoned. This heating zone's got one upstairs and one downstairs, so you have to say downstairs heating. But if you've only got one, you can just, sort of tell it to set the heating to 24 or 23 or whatever. So yeah, that's just a basic sort of run through of what Alexa is capable of doing. She can do a lot more, trust me. You can get like sensors to put on your doors and cameras and all sorts. But obviously, if you buy the Hive heating, you do get the hub, because you need the hub to control it. Once you've got the hub, you can get the bulbs, you can get the extra plugs. So yeah, there's endless things that you can do. Some of them are probably pointless, or you wouldn't use a lot. But the light, I use the light quite a lot, that's quite handy. The only thing that's annoying is if, like my partner, she'll turn it off via the switch, because she's proper old school, she can't be bothered to talk to Alexa. And I'll go to control the light, and I'm sitting down and the actual light switch is off, so it won't work. But anyway, also, this is a 3-story house, and like the Hive hub and the router, the Wi-Fi router, is on the second floor. It's on like the landing and that, and sometimes she struggles to get a connection between everything because it's all spread out. If you've got a lot of bulbs in every room, when I spoke to the Hive technical team on the phone about having problems with connection issues, they recommended if you buy more of these plugs, they actually act as a Wi-Fi sort of booster, extender. So if you spread them out over the different floors or different rooms, it boosts the ability of being able to send and receive the signals around the house, so your connectivity is better. But yeah, apart from that, it's pretty smart. If you're thinking of getting one, then that's just a rough idea of what you can do. You can also control, I know people have got their TV set up so that you can switch them on and off and change the channel and things like that, but yeah, pretty cool.